Installing a wall-mount lavatory valve just got faster and easier thanks to Moen. We redesigned our wall-mount lavatory faucet valve with you in mind. The handles and spout shank now have up to 1.5 inches of adjustability to accommodate any wall thickness. The mounting brackets are built into the valve, so only one crossmember is needed. And our exclusive O-ring design directs water to the front of the wall if there's ever a cartridge leak, preventing damage. These are just a few of the features which make installation smoother than ever. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install Moen's new and improved wall-mount lavatory faucet valve. Installation only takes 5 steps. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, shut off the main water supply. Assemble the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using a drill, 1/8-inch bit, hacksaw, level, tape measure, and safety glasses. If you have questions at any time, please call Moen Trade Services. Step 2. Determine valve placement and install the crossmember. Based on the trim and sink you're installing, determine where the valve should be positioned on the wall. We recommend placing the spout outlet a minimum of 3 inches above the sink rim. Place the 2x4 or crossmember between the studs. Make sure it's level and positioned for your wall thickness. For wall thicknesses 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches, the front of the crossmember should be 2 inches back from the front side of the vertical stud. For wall thicknesses greater than 1.5 inches, the crossmember should be 3.5 inches back from the planned front of the finished wall surface. Secure the crossmember. Step 3. Attach the wall mount valve to the crossmember. Find the midpoint for the faucet outlet. Then measure 2 inches above the bottom of the crossmember. This is where the center screw should be inserted. Drill a 1/8-inch pilot hole and thread the center screw. Hang the valve on the keyhole to free up your hands. This new feature allows you to level the valve more accurately. When level, mark the holes for the remaining screws. Then remove the valve and drill the pilot holes. Secure the wall mount valve to the crossmember by driving in all 4 screws. Notice the minimum and maximum wall markings on the protective caps. This feature will help eliminate installation errors. Moen also designed an O-ring seal for the handle valve bodies. If there was a cartridge failure, this added protection would force any water to the front of the wall instead of behind the wall. Step 4. Check for leaks. Once the supply lines are connected to the valve, check for leaks. Make sure the handle stems are in the off position. Remove the protective caps to verify. Turn on the main water supply and check for any leaks. When you're sure there are no leaks, replace the protective caps. The last step is installing the trim. Start by removing the protective caps. A foam gasket was pre-installed inside the handle adapters to save you a step. No plumber's putty or silicone is needed. A grease kit is included in the valve box. Apply the grease to the internal threads of each handle adapter. This avoids cross-threading and makes installation easier. Thread each handle adapter by hand until it's flush and snug against the wall. If you're doing a thick wall installation, insert a handle spline extension into each stem before attaching the handles. Depending on the wall thickness, you may need to trim the handle spline extension. Attach each handle by rotating it until tight. For added flexibility, the spout shank is adjustable from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches to accommodate any wall thickness. Loosen the set screw and adjust the shank for the wall thickness. The set screw hole should be flush with the front of the finished wall. Tighten the set screw until it's secure. Apply the gasket to the spout. The slot should point downward. Slide the spout onto the shank and tighten close to the wall. Thread the set screw, then finish tightening the spout so it's flush to the wall. Secure the spout in place by driving the set screw into the shank. Moen's wall mount valves are impact compatible, which means any Moen wall mount trim can be used with the valve, and you can easily change the trim in the future without replumbing behind the wall. All Moen products are backed by a limited lifetime warranty. More forgiving, Fewer hassles, no worries. Our new and improved wall-mount lavatory faucet valve was thoughtfully designed for you. For more information, please refer to your printed instruction sheets, visit Moen.com, or call 1-800-BUY-MOEN.